Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today I am going to make Dum Aloo, or you can call it cocktail potatoes. Whatever it is gonna be a very delicious and yummy tasty dish. You can try it as your snacks. You can try it with your roti fulka chapati also. So let's start the process, and before that, my humble request friends, those who are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. So here I have heated a pan. To this I'm going to add mustard oil. Here I have taken half a kilo of baby potatoes, so I will be adding 2 tablespoonful of mustard oil. Then goes the tempering cumin seeds and a little bit of garam masala. Say a pinch of garam masala will be more than enough. Now here I will be adding the potatoes. These potatoes I have boiled and peeled. Now after adding the potatoes one after the other, I am going to add the salt according to your taste. Now goes turmeric powder, half a teaspoonful of red chili powder. This goes according to your taste again. I have added 1 teaspoonful. Then goes coriander powder. Coriander powder also 1 teaspoonful, and cumin powder half teaspoonful. So the ratio should be 1:2. Now goes a little bit of crushed kasuri methi. Say 1/4 teaspoonful kasuri methi will be more than enough. Now again give everything a very nice mix, say for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then here I am going to add the tamarind pulp. Here I have used the market wala tamarind pulp, but you can make the tamarind pulp at home also. And goes the coriander leaves, slit green chilies, this also according to your taste. And here goes roasted cumin powder, 1 tablespoonful of roasted cumin powder. Mix everything very nicely and your dish is ready to serve. Now for tamarind pulp friends, I'm going to tell you all, take tamarind pulp or tamarind soaked in hot water, add some gur or jaggery and a little bit of salt and boil it to a thick consistency. And I have used here the packet wala tamarind pulp. You can use that also. Now friends, your dish is ready to serve. Just let me know how delicious, how tasty it turned out to be. Do try it once. It's really yummy, mouth watering. I'm literally salivating friends. Be happy, be merry. Thanks for watching. Keep me in your prayers.